Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT and RFID based advanced school transport system. So here we have the features like whenever school students are entering into the bus, then the system will scan the RFID tag and it will inform to the receiver section, as well as it will store the data logging into the notepad in the Raspberry Pi memory card, and that can be accessed by using Wi-Fi network. So by calling the IP address of this Raspberry Pi, and the next the system is starts initially 60 seconds of duration traveling time. So when we switch on the kit, it will start reading the input from the RFID reader. In between the 60 seconds, if the 4 tags are shown, then the system considers all are present and it won't send any message to the parents. And if third student is not board the bus, then he did not board the bus, then the system will send the message alert to his parents about the so-called what is the did not board the bus, is onboard the bus. And while onboarding, so after 60 seconds the journey ends, and next in between the next 60 seconds, if no one onboard the bus, so then again it will send the message alert to the same parents about the onboarding information. So you got me? So showing the tag, it will store into the data logging, and next if in between the 60 seconds no one show the tag, then all the 4 parents will get the SMS about the no one boarding the bus. And while onboarding, next 60 seconds is going to be the onboarding time. In between that, no one onboard that. So then again it will send the message alert to the parents, and also with the help of Zigbee communication, we are going to send the information to the school section about the onboarding of so-called student ID numbers on the 16:2 LCD screen. So here we have interfaced the RFID reader and LCD as an output message display to the Raspberry Pi along with GSM modem. We are using GSM modem of A9 model and the Zigbee 2.4 GHz operating frequency, and here also receiving Zigbee, and the received data will be displayed on the LCD screen with help of PIC microcontroller, PIC16F72 microcontroller. We are using that. So here we have interfaces Zigbee to the Raspberry Pi 3 by using USB to TTL converter, as Raspberry Pi consists of only one UART communication. So we are going to interface this GSM module through the UART communication. So that was interfaced at the one UART hardware connection, and the next we need to interface the remaining these also. So for this we are going to use USB to TTL converter. So before switching on the kit, the first very step we need to do is insert a valid SIM card into this GSM slot. So push back and open, insert a SIM card in this manner. Better to use Airtel other than Jio. So Jio won't get, so Jio is a LTE. So better to use a Airtel SIM card for better outputs. So insert that and lock, and then after enable the hotspot in your phone. So change the hotspot name to project 5103, and the password should be 123456789, and app band 2.4 GHz. After enabling the hotspots, right, and now you can initially switch on this transmitter section, bus section initially. After initialization successfully done, there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. Then you can switch on the receiver section. So there you can see one device is connected, and to get the IP address of this Raspberry Pi, we need to install one more application, that is network analyzer application. So there you can do scan. So there we get the IP address of our Raspberry Pi 192.168.210.249. So now it is showing show RFID tag. Then you can on the school section. There also welcome message, welcome to the project, and then monitoring displayed. So whenever the person didn't board, it will send a message. So you can, before 60 seconds completes, you can show the tag. Student 1 is boarding. So student 3 is boarding. So remaining 2 students didn't board. So for demonstration purpose, I store this one number as a 4 parents number. So then it will receive the message, and so-called message displayed on the LCD screen while sending the message. So till that, I'll explain you the IoT section. So we got the IP address. So enter the IP address. So in this manner you can enter the IP address. So that is 192.168.210.249:5000, right? You can enter. So now see, it's sending the message. So called did not board, and next again did not board. The two students didn't board, so I got the message alert also, right? So coming to the onboarding, so if these students didn't onboard, then again it will send the message alert. So meanwhile, again go to here. So 210.249. $5,000. Right. So we got the message of did not onboard. Okay. So these two didn't enter initially, and again after this it will restart to the again initially again boarding and onboarding sentences. The system keep on sending the messages. Did not board and did not onboard. So coming to the IoT, we'll show you now. So now I change the mobile phone. So same like network analyzer, and check the IP address 192.168.113.249 and enter that IP address in your Google Chrome. So the main important point is :5000. So in this manner we will get. So right. Okay, and here, so if you want to, what is the stored data? So this is the data till now we have stored about the login of the students. So now, if you want to clear this data, just click on the clear data. The old data got erased. You can see that now system is sending messages. As of now, no one's to board the bus. So let us see. Now it is system keep on sending the messages. Did not board school bus. So you can see now it is store data. There is no data. So now I am showing boarding 1 and 3 and 4. Touch. So now you can click on this store data. So there you get the 3 tags got shown and enter. And if I show it again, onboarding, right. So they get the same onboarding, right? Yeah. Thank you.